Hi, class. This is Mrs. Albritton, and let's do the last few problems for the Unit 6 study guide. So, number 7, a fast food restaurant wants to determine whether the season of the year affects the choice of soft drink size purchase. It surveyed 278 customers, and the table shows the results. The drink sizes were small, medium, large, and jumbo. The seasons of the year were spring, summer, and fall. Before we actually answer the questions, we've got to complete the table because some of the totals were left off. Now, the easiest cell that I see that we could complete is the total at the very end. So right here, if we add up the totals in all of these small, medium, large, and jumbo total columns, we will end up with 278. Besides, they already told us that there were 278 customers. So we knew what went in this cell. And from there, we can start filling in the other cells. If I look at the small row, there's 24, 22, some amount that totals 64. So if I add 24 and 22, how much more would I need to get a total of 64? And that would be 18. The next row, same thing, 23 plus 28 plus some value would give me 70. That value would be 19. Now, I'm not going to do the large row yet because there's two values missing. However, since I've completed the column for fall, 18 plus 19 plus 29 plus 23, I can go ahead and fill in my 99 total here. For the summer column, 22 plus 28 plus something plus 21 totals 98, and that missing value is 27. So you can just do a little addition and then subtraction to come up with that information. And now I can do my large row because I've got some value plus 27 plus 29, total 74. That should be 18. And when we add up these three, 24, 23, 18, what more would give us 81? That would be 16. So we filled in the table. Now we should be able to answer the questions because it'll be based on the information from the table. So starting with A, in which season did the most customers purchase jumbo drinks? If you read the table, look at the totals going along the bottom of the table, and the season with the most people totaling, I'm sorry, it says jumbo. So we're looking for jumbo drinks. All right, I'm looking at the wrong section here. Jumbo is right here, 16, 21, 33, 70. So it was in the season of fall. B, what percentage of those surveyed purchased small drinks? When we look at small drinks, we see a total of 64, and there was 270 people that were surveyed. So we're going to divide 64 by 278, and that's the total number of small drinks purchased divided by the total number of people surveyed. That will give us a decimal, actually, of 0.23 and some other numbers, but we only want to go to the 100th place. That's the second decimal place, because then we're going to convert that to percentage, which is 23%. C, what percentage of those surveyed purchase medium drinks in the summer? So here we have medium drinks. Go over to the summer, and it's 28. So 28 out of 278. And we will get decimal, if you use your calculator, 0.100 something else. But if you stop at the 100th place, you get 0.10, and that's about 10%. And the last question for this problem, D, what do you think the fast food restaurant learned from this survey? It looks like maybe the summer and the fall is when most people drink the most drinks. And it also looks like the small drinks aren't that popular because you have more people purchasing medium, large, jumbo. So I'd say summer and fall is when most drinks are purchased, and the small drink is the least popular. All right, let's go to the next problem. Number 8. Use the data to answer the following questions. What is the median value of the data? And again, don't forget, when you're doing median, you always put your data in order from least to greatest. So when I did that, I ended up with 57.5 as my median. I went ahead and did the mean because the next question does ask about mean, and the mean happens to be 59.125. B, explain why the median should be used instead of the mean. Once you put your data in order for this problem, I'm not sure if you noticed, but it does have quite an extreme outlier, which is 99, because it's so far from the other numbers. Now, 36 is a slight outlier too, but 99 is so much further away from the other numbers. And remember, when you've got an outlier, it is going to impact the data set in some way. It may bring it up or it may bring it down. So, but the general thing to remember is that when you're doing, if you're looking for a measure of center to use and you've got an outlier, use the median. That's the best method to go with. So use the median when there is an extreme value or an outlier, such as 99 in this data set. So this is why the median would be better used in this problem. All right, so good luck on the test tomorrow, and I'll see you in class.